A dimension type is basically a category or an area in which you want to collect, view, and report financial information. Dimension types are shared across all companies within an endpoint. There is a maximum of 20 dimension types that can be defined within an endpoint. However, each dimension type can have unlimited dimension values. For example, you could have a dimension type of department with a dimension value of administration, distribution, maintenance, and sales. And you could have a dimension type of region with values of north and south. Let's take a look at defining dimension types in your system. To enter dimension types, select the Dimension Types function under the Setup menu. To add a new dimension type, click New, and then enter your dimension type code. It can be 3 characters in length. Then enter your description. You can come down and put in a short description for reporting purposes, and enter a column header. This column header will show up in many of your entry screens. Then enter your format. It can be up to 15 characters in length. A pound sign will represent numbers only, a capital A will represent alpha only, and a small c will be alphanumeric. I have chosen to make mine 15 characters long, and both numbers and characters will be accepted. Select Automatic Creation if you want a user to be able to automatically create a dimension type on the fly. Check the No Carry Forward entry box if you want to clear the financial data at the year end. If you want to be able to change your final entries at year end, go ahead and select Change Final Entries. Entity and Envelope are used for operational budget dimension types. Go ahead and click Create, and this has added your new dimension type. In this lesson, you have learned that dimension types are categories in which you want to collect financial data, that you can have a maximum of 20 dimension types per endpoint, and the dimension types are shared across all companies within that endpoint. And finally, each dimension type can have unlimited dimension values.